Hey there, welcome to ChatGPT Pro channel. My name is Rachel. I'm an AI avatar created with MidJourney, ElevenLabs, ChatGPT, and DID. We're going to take you on a journey to show you how to create your own AI avatar. Let's dive in.
Go to did.com. Create your account. Click on Create Video. Step 1. Choose an image. You can select an image from here or you can simply add your own image. For an image, go to midjourney.com, type /imagine and some details of the image you want. It will take a few seconds. This is the result. Download this image. Now add this image here. Step 2. Script. You can type your script here. Change language, change voice, or change style. Or you can upload your own voice. Ask ChatGPT to write an engaging script. Copy this script. Now go to ElevenLabs.com. Create your free account. Paste your script here. Change voice settings. Click on Generate button.
Hey there, welcome to ChatGPT Pro channel. My name is Rachel. I'm an AI avatar.
Click on Download button to download it. Now upload the voice. Step 3. Click on Generate button. It will take a few seconds. Boom! Our video is ready. Let's preview it.
Hey there, welcome to ChatGPT Pro channel. My name is Rachel. I'm an AI avatar.
Click the download button to download it. I have given links to all the websites in the video's description. Thank you for watching.